Can you guess this ball? This is a football. Players kick it with their feet. Do you know this ball? This is a basketball. It bounces high and goes through a hoop. Which sports ball is this? This is a tennis ball. Its fuzzy cover helps players hit accurate shots. Can you name this ball? This is a cricket ball. Its stitched seams help the ball swing in the air. Do you recognize this ball? This is a baseball. Its red stitches help pitchers throw different pitches. What is this ball called? This is a golf ball. Its tiny dimples help it fly farther. Can you identify this ball? This is a rugby ball. Players pass it backward instead of forward. Let's see if you know this ball. This is a table tennis ball. It is small, light, and very fast. Which ball do you think this is? This is a bowling ball. Its finger holes help players grip it. Do you know what this ball is? This is a hockey ball. It is hard and rolls very fast. Ready to guess this ball? This is a water polo ball. It is specially made to float on water. Look carefully. Which ball is this? This is a billiard ball. It is smooth and shiny for accurate shots. Here's a fun challenge. What ball is this? This is an American football. Its pointed ends help players throw a spiral. Can you guess before I tell you? This is a softball. It is bigger than a baseball. Think fast! Which ball is this? This is a futsal ball. It bounces lower than a football. Can you spot this sports ball? This is a beach volleyball. It is made for playing on soft sand. Can you guess its name? This is a lacrosse ball. Its solid rubber helps it move very fast. One last guess. What ball is this? This is a squash ball. It bounces more after it gets warm. Great job learning with me today, friends! Don't forget to like and subscribe to PlayWise Kids.